Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2012 Mercedes-Benz GLK 350. This vehicle comes in a silver exterior color, 4-door sport utility, seats 5 in a black interior color. This vehicle also carries a 3.5-liter V6 engine with a 7G Tronic 7-speed automatic transmission. Making our way into the front of the vehicle now, you have your power folding side mirrors and power windows, memory seat controls, as well as your power seat as well. Speaker and storage compartment down at the bottom with your trunk opener. Door panel is made up of a black leather with a wood insert. Both front seats are in a black leather. You have headrest adjustment and lumbar support as well. Steering wheel is a black leather wrap. You have your steering wheel controls, so all of your phone call and volume controls on the right side. On the left are your menu selectors. Behind the steering wheel there, you have your cruise control, as well as power steering. This vehicle is push to start. Foot down on the brake and you push the button. Nice little picture shows up. This vehicle does come with navigation, as well as all of your AM, FM radio. You can subscribe to SiriusXM. You can pair your phone up for Bluetooth. You have USB and auxiliary as well. Traction control just at the top. All of your manual buttons are in the center. You have your phone dial on the right. CD player, as well as heated front seats. Park assist. Manual climb controls with dual zone. You have your cigarette starter. If you want to hide that, you just give that a little push. It hides really nice. Leather wrapped gear shifter, as well as your menu selector. 2 cup holders. You have a button on either side of the center console. You have all of your USB and auxiliary down at the bottom. Rear view mirror. Sorry about the glare. You have overhead lighting, sunroof controls, as well as moonroof controls. There we go. Sun visor comes in very handy, as well as illuminated vanity mirror for both the driver's side and passenger side. Nice dual sunroof, one for the front, one for the back. Going around the left-hand side, we'll start off with the 20-inch Mercedes rims on winter tires. Color-matched side mirrors with an integrated turn signal. Keyless entry handle grips. Rear wiper blade, chromed badging. Dual exhaust, you have your front and rear parking sensors. You have your powered trunk. Beautiful rear trunk space, access to your 60-40 split rear seats. Carpeted interior. Nice little storage compartment down at the bottom right. You have handles and a button just at the top right. Going into the rear of the vehicle now, you have the same black leather with the wood insert, storage compartment and speaker down at the bottom with your power window button. Rear seats are in a black leather. You have headrest adjusters and you have foldable rear seats. Center console flips right down. Nice little storage compartment as well as you push the button. and out folds your cup holders. Everything goes together very nicely and just tucks away back up. Air vents and storage compartment at the rear of the center console. Leather magazine holders at the rear of both front seats. Rear seats get their own sunroof, as well as overhead lighting and handle grips. This car is also fitted with a full set of all-weather mats and carpeted mats. Going around the right-hand side of the vehicle now, we have your shark fin antenna. You have your gas tank, chrome along the bottom of the windows. Nice chromed grille. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out at our website, wolfecadillac.com, or visit us at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta, over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.